Yesterday I taught y'all how to make a pinch pot, so let's see if you remember anything. And we're also going to learn how to make a saucer. First up, you're going to go ahead and grab your clay. I'm making mini versions, so I'm going to be using two 30-gram balls. First, going ahead and getting all the air out. And then, much like yesterday, get a flat side on that ball, roll it against the table once you stick your finger in, and then use the pinch pot method to go ahead and bring up and out those walls. Then flatten the bottom and smooth out the sides. Again, this should be easy for y'all. You did it yesterday. Next, I'm going to take a little piece of clay and roll it into a log. Yep, just a long snake. I'm going to cut out a portion that I think is going to be the handle of my mug and then slip and score these pieces. Now, it is super important to slip and score these super well. I accidentally made my handle way too big, so went ahead, cut that down, and again, slipped and scored very well. Otherwise, your handle's gonna fly right off, and we don't want that. Then I used a tool and a paintbrush to get it smoothed on, and our mug is finished. So now it's time to make a little saucer. And y'all, this is way easier than you might think. We're gonna take a ball of clay, roll it out into a nice, even little pancake, and then again, with the pinching method, we're going to pinch around the sides of this little circle, and then you can clean it up. There you go, a little tiny saucer and a little tiny mug. And remember that pot we made yesterday? Well, this just so happens to be the perfect drip tray. If you made these along with me, go ahead and leave a picture in the comments, and tomorrow will be lesson 3.